Hello everybody! In today's video, I'm going to show you how I turned one of these baby bodysuits into a very cute two-piece set for nounours, so that we have a t-shirt and a pair of shorts. So here I've put it on and you can see that it's too long, but here I just choose where I want the t-shirt to end and I just make a little cut to mark it, so that I can cut in a mostly straight line once I've taken it off again. Then we flip both parts inside out so that when we sew the edge, they will be hidden inside. And we cut the tag off because it will be bothersome when we sew the whole thing together. You just have to fold the edge so that it's the size you want it to be, and so that it looks straight and neat. And you can always put the clothes back on the body to see how they sit before you decide where you want the fold to be. Once we've folded it the way we want it, we can go on the sewing machine. You can pin it down, but I feel confident enough now that I don't feel the need to pin the folded edge to stay in place. You'll see sewing this is very easy. I take it all back. It was not easy. I don't know if it was just because I'm recording and it made me unlucky, but first the needle on my sewing machine broke, and then when I replaced the needle, the machine started skipping stitches, so I had to seam rip everything I'd sewn and try again. So it was not as easy as the previous one was. I set my sewing machine to do a zigzag stitch. I think this can also work with a straight stitch since the clothes aren't really tight on nounours, so it doesn't really need to be stretchy, but I think the zigzag stitch looks nicer in this situation. I also picked a thread color that is close to the fabric because that's what the other seams of the bodysuit were using. You just sew all around the edge and then you can put it back on to check how it looks. Since I like it, I'm cutting off all of the excess fabric and the loose threads on the inside. And after that I can sew the bottom, which also starts by sewing the edge all around it. Now here comes the difficult part. The bottom is a little bit too big for him because those are made for babies who have diapers, and he doesn't have one, and he's also smaller than a real baby. So I'm going to cut some straight lines on the back and on the leg holes that I'll sew together so that the bottom sits a little tighter and he doesn't lose it. I'm using a straight stitch this time, and I put back in this big plastic piece so that it's easier to sew flat. It's really just about sewing the two parts of the bottom together so that the cut is not visible anymore. One final fitting of the bottom to make sure it fits well, and we are done! Now nounours has a very cute matching two-piece set, and as you can see it fits him perfectly. The base bodysuit only cost me €2 and it took me around half an hour to turn it into a two-piece set without counting the mistakes. So this was really cheap and quick overall and very fun to make. I hope you enjoyed watching and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!